In Judaism, it is a well-known fact that the true person is not the body, the true person is the holy soul. As the holy Arizal says in his famous commentary, Sha'ar Hagilgulim, know that the person himself is the spiritual being within the body. The body is the garment of the person and is not the true person himself. The body is like clothing. When you see clothing moving, everyone understands that a person is causing the clothes to move. Obviously, clothing doesn't move on its own. So the body just performs the actions. When you see a person walking, it's really the inner soul executing the action. In other words, if you're at a funeral of somebody you know, sometimes people's hearts break at that moment. How can it be? This is a person I lived with all my life and now he is in the ground covered with dirt. But it is important to know that when we bury a person, we have just buried their clothes, the body that accompanied them throughout life, though the soul lives forever.